The CIA once tried to turn a cat into a spy. The project was called Acoustic Kitty, because apparently every normal name had already been used. During the Cold War, intelligence officers wanted a listening device that could get close to people without looking suspicious. A cat seemed perfect. It could wander into public spaces, sit near a conversation, and nobody would assume it was working for the government. So the agency explored fitting a cat with audio equipment and training it to move toward targets. This is where the plan met the main problem. The target was still a cat. Declassified documents show the CIA worried about whether the animal could be directed reliably enough for real operations, which is a polite intelligence way of saying the microphone had opinions. Acoustic Kitty did not become a successful spy program. It became a very expensive reminder that some assets refuse tasking, especially when they have pause